Today I'm actually wearing what's called a headband wig, and I'm going to show you how I put this on. This is actually one of the wigs I bought. This is a burgundy silky straight synthetic wig, and it comes like this. It actually has 3 combs. There's 2 right here and 1 right here. And then this is the headband. It has Velcro on the bottom, so you can just adjust it and tie it around your hair. One of the things you need to watch out for is the hair getting caught in these little combs, and it's just something that I have to deal with. This wig came with a little cap like this, and I'm going to start by putting it around my neck. I'm going to put my hair in a little bun in the back of my head. You don't have to be neat with it or anything because it's just going to get covered up by the wig. Fortunately, my hair is long enough to just kind of tie it in a knot. If yours isn't, you might want to use a rubber band and some bobby pins to hold it down. The next thing I'm going to do is put this little cap on to hold all my hair back. I'm going to try to cover up as much of my natural hair as I can. There is a little hole in the top right there, and I'm going to push it back off my face because the wig is going to need something to grip onto. Next, I'm going to get my wig. Definitely find the combs because that's what I'm going to use to get this started. I'm bringing the combs forward and I'm making them grip my hair. Then I'm going to grab the back, pull it down. I'm going to try to find that comb and slip it under my head. Now I'm just going to make some adjustments here. Make sure it's sitting where I want it to sit. And then finally we have these little flaps right here. Grab them on the right end because they need to connect. You want to try to avoid having a lot leftover Velcro sticking out because sometimes it can rub against your neck and be a little bit irritating. And I could see there it's coming out on this side, so I'm actually gonna just tuck it under a little bit so it's not sticking out and bothering me. Now this wig was a lot shinier than this when I got it, and I thought that it looked really fake. So what I did was take a little bit of baby powder. Stuff gets really messy. Try not to get it all over the place. And run that through the hair. Make sure there's no traces of it left, or else you're gonna have white baby powder showing in your wig. I'm satisfied with that. I love this length. It's super long, and I just love being surrounded by all this hair. This is burgundy, and it's a pretty good match to my hair, and it only came with 3 combs. But because of the weight of this wig, I actually bought an extra pack of these little combs and sewed this extra one in. And there it is. You need to be really careful when brushing these curly wigs because you don't want it to lose the curl. So I actually have this little wig brush. Sorry. This wig brush has bristles that have little like loops on the end so they can glide through the hair without messing up the style. Your natural hair may leave a little bit of a bump on the top. That's because my bun is kind of thick, so that's why it's sticking there. I actually don't mind it too much because it just kind of looks like I have a little extra volume in my hair. Kind of feels a little bit 60s. Sometimes I like to wear it with my hair out, or sometimes I put it up in victory rolls. It's so versatile. There's so many things you can do with it. But how's that for a little va-va-voom? Woo! It makes me feel sexy. I love having all this hair. It makes me feel like Ariel, the mermaid. Then when you're ready to take it off, just undo your Velcro, pull up to get the combs out of your hair, give it a little brush, and hang it up for next time. So what do you think? Do we like it? You know what? I don't care what you think. I love it, and I'm really glad I bought it. If you want to see how I store my wigs? Check this out. I have this little grate over the door hook system that I use. Do I have too many wigs? Oh well, there's always room for more.